So Google just built a team of AI teams that can improve themselves. It's insanely powerful and honestly a little scary. Meanwhile, OpenAI just released their most advanced model yet, O3 Pro, and it's already outperforming both Claude and Gemini on PhD-level benchmarks. Sam Altman says we've officially entered the era of superintelligence, a phase he's calling the gentle singularity. And Meta? They're not sitting on the sidelines either. Mark Zuckerberg just launched a secretive new AI lab led by the founder of Scale AI with ambitions that go beyond AGI. This might be the tipping point, the final push before AI evolves into something that no one can fully control. So let's break it all down. First up, Google's new MASS framework. It might be the most underappreciated leap toward true superintelligence yet. Normally, an AI model is trained to perform just one task, like solving math, generating code, or analyzing text. But when you combine different models, each specialized, you get what's called an AI agent. That agent becomes capable of solving much more complex tasks. But here's where things get wild. Google's MASS framework doesn't just combine agents, it links teams of AI agents into a fully coordinated system. It's a network of self-optimizing AI squads, all working together faster, smarter, and with minimal human input. Traditionally, coordinating AI agents is like choreographing a dance. You have to tell each one what to do, in what order, and how to respond. One misstep, the whole system breaks down. Worse, even slight changes in prompts can derail everything. That's where MASS flips the playbook. Instead of humans manually tuning prompts and setups, MASS figures out the best configurations by itself, then optimizes everything. It works in 3 key steps. Prompt optimization. It improves the instructions each agent gets, like adding step-by-step logic or better examples. Team formation. It tests how different agents work together and only keeps the most promising combinations. System-wide tuning. Once it's found a strong setup, it refines the prompts again, this time optimizing the entire system, not just individual agents. The results? Insane performance boosts. In benchmarks like Math and Hotpot QA, MASS-optimized systems beat traditional multi-agent setups by wide margins. Just improving prompts gave MASS an 84% success rate on math problems, better than systems that added more agents without optimization. The right setup boosted performance by 3%. But the wrong one dropped it by 15%. That's how important the design is. MASS discovered that certain team layouts, like debate or executor models, work way better than others, like reflect or summarize. And because MASS is modular, you can plug in new agents, shift roles, and apply it across industries, from debugging code to research workflows. Bottom line, MASS isn't just making AI smarter. It's teaching them how to collaborate like elite teams. It's not about adding more brains, it's about linking them the right way. And this shift is already hitting the job market. As AI teams become more autonomous, companies are cutting roles that can be automated. Microsoft, Amazon, and Google have already laid off thousands. But they're also hiring people who understand this next-gen AI. Those who can build agent workflows, understand coordination, and stay ahead of the curve. Meanwhile, OpenAI just dropped a monster, the O3 Pro model. It's the upgraded version of the O3 reasoning model from April, and now it's rolling out to ChatGPT Pro, Team, and soon Enterprise users. Developers, you can access it right now via API. The pricing? $20 per $1 million input tokens, $80 for output. Definitely premium, but you're getting cutting-edge capability. According to OpenAI, O3 Pro beats every previous model across science, education, programming, business writing, you name it. It delivers better clarity, stronger accuracy, and more complete outputs. The only downside? It's a bit slower than O1 Pro, but the quality is worth the wait. And it's not just about text. O3 Pro can analyze files, search the web, reason over images, run Python, and personalize responses with memory. It's not perfect, image generation and canvas support are still missing, and temporary chats are disabled while bugs get worked out, but performance-wise, this thing dominates. On the AIM 2024 test, a hardcore math reasoning exam, it beat Gemini 2.5 Pro. It also outscored Claude Opus on the GPQA Diamond, a PhD-level science benchmark. And while O3 Pro was the headliner, Sam Altman dropped another bombshell. OpenAI's first open-source model in years is delayed, but for a good reason. He said the team found something unexpected, and it's worth waiting for. But here's the bigger picture. Sam Altman now says we've passed the event horizon of superintelligence. He believes AI isn't just progressing, it's evolving. Not into the chaotic sci-fi dystopia we see in movies, but into what he calls a gentle singularity, a steady, controlled rise toward digital superintelligence. Just look at the numbers. As of May 2025, ChatGPT has 800 million weekly active users. Nearly a billion people are relying on AI weekly for coding, writing, business, research, you name it. Altman says coding will never be the same after this year. By 2026, AI may start generating entirely new insights. By 2027, we might see robots in the real world doing tasks without human help. But Altman also warns even small misalignments in AI, if deployed at scale, could become dangerous. That's why he's calling for global discussions now on governance, safety, and values. We need to make sure these systems serve humanity's long-term goals, not just corporate ones.